This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. I'm going to show you the best vegetarian vegan breakfast. Now these are sprouted mung beans. As you can see, they're sprouted. And I'm going to make a breakfast out of sprouted mung beans, and this is very nutritious. Now some people do prefer to eat it raw, but I cook it a little bit because a lot of times sprouted mung beans cause digestive problems and sometimes cause E. coli infection, so it's wise to cook it a little bit. Just put some heat so it'll kill off any kind of bacteria growing in it during the sprouting process. So I have a little bit of oil in the pan. I got like half a teaspoon oil. So my oil is heating up. While it's heating up, I'm going to show you what I have here. I have a little bit of cumin seed and asafoetida. I'm going to mix it. And then I have salt, turmeric. This is little bit of vegetable masala. This is garam masala. So you can add anything you wish and make it as spicy as you wish or as mild as you wish. I'm going to make mine a little bit spicy. I like it spicy. So as my cumin seed and asafoetida is getting a little roasted, I'll show you what I have here. I have a little bit of red onion and some green chili pepper from my garden and a little bit of ginger. Now we're not going to add any garlic to this because this mung dal does not require any garlic in it. Just we put some ginger to give it a real nice taste. So as my cumin seed is roasting, I'm going to add the red onion and the ginger. I'm going to add this one all the way at the end because I don't want the smell. I'm going to cook this one for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's brown. Going to put a cover in it for it to brown. So I'll wait with this about 5 minutes or so. So my onion and ginger is a little bit sauteed. I'm not sauteing it too much. I like to keep it a little bit crunchy. And to that I'm going to add my mung bean sprouts. Now I'm going to add all the spices to it. And you have to make sure you thoroughly heat up. So heat up 5 to 10 minutes until it's all very nicely heated up. And I'm going to add my green chili pepper. Now these peppers are sort of like a green bell pepper, but a little bit spicy, so it's in between chili and bell. And so it kind of brings out the taste in all the vegetables that you added in. So I'm going to let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now this is the very simplest, easiest breakfast, but yet very nutritious and tasty. So I like this breakfast pretty much every day. This is so nutritious. The process is somewhat like you need to continuously do it regularly. Soak your mung beans overnight, and then next morning you drain the water. And I have few bags. I can show you the methods of making the bag in my next video. I just made these fabric bags, and on top of that I have this tie for the top. So I would tie it and hang it on a nail. The next morning I'll drain the water, wash the mung beans thoroughly, and then I put inside the bag and tie the bag and hang it on a nail. And by the time it's nighttime, starts sprouting, and the next day it's pretty much big. And that time I wash it again and then divide into separate packages, and I keep it in the fridge for about 3-4 days. So once I soak about a cup or two, it lasts like 3-4 days depending on how much I soak. It's better not to soak too much, just do every 2-3 days a little. Keep the process going so you'll have every day some supply. And this is very nutritious. It has a lot of protein, and the carbohydrate is complex carbohydrate. And it's really great for your body, and very tasty, crunchy breakfast. So I'm going to give you a picture how it turned out. Just cooking it, heating it up for 5 minutes or so. So here it is. It's looking awesome, very crispy, crunchy, tasty. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe.